Greetings from Bali. So I've arrived. I'm getting ready to start my 2-week intensive with a Chinese group. And so here we are in the rice fields. I don't think you, oh yeah, you can kind of see them. Those are rice fields right in there, right behind me. So what's on my mind? The legs. All right, so your stance is everything to me, and that's what I want to talk to you a little bit about. So the lower body, your feet, your legs, your thighs, and your pelvis, like, you know, constantly checking in with you, especially your legs. Like that's the key to your whole pose, is the stance that you create. And so I do call it foundation first, that asana principle, and invariably it's your legs and arms that are the support of every position, and your legs and arms work as a team in every pose, regardless of which of those members is the team leader, right? So if your feet are planted on the ground in a standing pose, your legs are the team leader and your arms are the auxiliary support. Whereas if you're upside down in headstand, your arms are the team leader and your legs above you, they're the auxiliary support. But today, so the focus is on specifically the legs. And because, so for one, they're the bigger, right, limb. They're stronger, and the femur bone, your thigh bone, that's your longest, strongest bone. And this is how you make a good stance, is by making it as long, the leg line, and strong as possible. So those two qualities, just like your femur bone, long and strong. And so, see, it's very easy to give a little moment or two to your stance and then move on to what you think of as more important details of the pose, like binding or catching your toe in triangle pose or going up into headstand, whatever it is. And what I'm telling you is no. Okay, that to me, I stay rooted in my stance the whole time that I'm in a pose, and it's an unfolding thing. It's a verb, to leg. So I'm in a process of legging when I'm in a pose as a verb. Like, it's not just a once and done thing where you plant your feet and firm your legs and you're done. No, you're in this, you're constantly expressing a foundation through your leg work. And the legs are they're sense organs in yoga, and they're part of the karma indriyas. So indriya sense, karma is work. So they're the worker senses, and this is the thing that's so amazing about the leg work that I'm talking about, because it's something entirely natural to the human body that we've almost utterly forgotten. See, so we walk around all day on our legs, and we sit, and we do all of it with kind of very dormant, inert legs, unexpressive and unaware, and it's to our detriment, right? That because, so they say the interesting statement that sitting all day, at a computer or at a desk, or that this is the new smoking, like how bad it is for your health. And it's so standing and sitting, they can really disturb your posture and cause all kinds of musculature within your legs and torso, and to atrophy, and then your joint function and organs. All these things can be compromised. But in the reverse, if you stand awake and conscious and really take to your stance and work on lengthening and strengthening your leg and arm lines, like in your poses, but also just periodically when you're standing or sitting. Plant your feet on the ground and ground your thigh bones and kind of juice your body. And this is good for your health. So that standing is good for you, sitting is good for you, rather than the new smoking, right? And it takes a certain humility, right? Because it's so easy to just think, well, I've straightened my legs in my pose, and that's that. I mean, they're not going to get any straighter or any stronger. And this you will find with, if you really take to attending to your legs and kind of milking and kind of extracting strength or extracting extension, there's much, much more to discover and open up into than you previously thought. And so it's like it's a little bit of a superpower, actually. And they say that tapas, it gives you indriya siddhi. And siddhi is superpower, mastery. And the legs are part of the senses. And so the mastery of the senses is learning to like be very expressive with your legs. Gesture when you move into the side angle stretch, or when you're going to Asana. Really take command of your legs, and you'll find that those parts of you, they're literally superpowers that give you benefits, give you strength and grounding and confidence in your orientation, your place here on this earth. So check it out. Spend the whole week just really focusing on your leg work and your poses, and try to increase the skill, because this is another definition of siddhi. It's a peculiar skill. And so you're looking for leg skill, the ability to leg well. Namaste.